Well, welcome back. 2001 Lexus ES300. This is a new old car for me. Just got this about a month, 2 months ago. Really clean. Hood would not stay up, and I need to replace the lift supports in this. They're not specific side to side. You can just turn the bottom part of them and line them up so the ball faces outward, or the socket faces outward, and the ball at the top of them. So we're just going to go. This should take 10-15 minutes probably to do this and fix this hood. There's a little clip on the back of these. You have to kind of pick this thing up and move it up so you can put it in. Just slide it up, kind of like get that band up farther. Come on. That didn't go all the way. Let's see if I can do it from this side. Yeah, I'm just going to slide that up. It'll slide up, at least on these, and allow you to put the socket, the ball in the socket there. So, like I said, 12 millimeter. Take the bottom off first, just because I want to take the bottom off first. I do have a prop under the hood here. It's not pushing up on the hood, but it's just holding it. But I don't really think it matters, except that you're going to have to hold the hood. Otherwise, if they're not working, it's not going to hold the hood for you. I'm going to reuse that, keep it. Okay, now I'm just going to go up top. The wrench. Let's loosen this. These have Loctite on them, so they don't have to move that much. They're pretty tight, but they will come loose. You see a lot of thread lock on that. I don't have any right now. I'm completely out. I will get some. So I'm going to put the new strut in. I'm going to actually put this in first. Snug that up. Alright, so they're not specific side to side. You just need to turn them. I thought they were set. Make sure you line it up so the ball end is facing out. Yeah, I'm thinking they're specific side to side, but these are not. You just need to turn the cylinder to get in the right position. Now we'll just, I had to pick it up just a little bit, pop it on there, and then take your retainer here on the inside, at least on these. Now, depending on what you buy, it may be different, and push it down. You got to reseat it here. Trying not to block the light from me, but I know I am. Right, move this light so maybe you can see what I'm doing here. Just this little retainer clip's got to go down. It'll pop into place there. Pops into place and locks that ball in that socket, and that's it. So let me get my stuff out of the way, and we'll set the hood down and make sure it works. So obviously it's holding the hood up. It wasn't holding the hood up before. This hood wouldn't stay up. Just going to bring it down. I'm not going to latch it, so I got it. Much better. Pretty simple job. 10, 15 minutes, and now you have a hood that actually works and will stay open. Well, that's it for the hood lift supports on this 2001 Lexus ES300. Really simple. You can do these yourself. I initially thought they were specific side to side, but they're not. They're not specific. You could just take that bottom part, what would be this, and turn it in the cylinder to line it up to where you need it, to make sure that ball's facing outward, or the socket's facing outward for that ball. If you had to do this for your Lexus ES300 or any other car, it should be similar. Well, newer cars are going to be similar with hydraulic lifts. I hope it helps you out. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.